Okay, so JavaScript is a scripting language, and it is used to create interactive effects within the browser, and it is most popular scripting language, and easy to understand, and we can write the code easily. So JavaScript is developed by Netscape, Netscape, and so JavaScript can interact with the HTML source code, can interact with the HTML source code, okay, HTML code, and we can do the DOM manipulation by using JavaScript. Okay, DOM manipulation is very easy. Okay, so by using JavaScript, we can add functionality or validate the forms, or we can communicate with the server. Okay, using JavaScript, add functionalities and functionality, and so we can write form validations, form validations, and we can communicate with the server. We can communicate with the server, and so on. Okay, and so on. So JavaScript is the most popular scripting language in on the internet. So the definition of JavaScript, definition of JavaScript, definition of JavaScript. So JavaScript is scripting language and designed to add functionality in HTML pages. Okay, JavaScript is usually embedded directly into HTML pages. So we can execute JavaScript without any compilation. JavaScript is a scripting language scripting language scripting language and designed to add functionalities. We add functionality to HTML pages, and usually embedded directly into HTML pages, and we can execute it JavaScript without any compilation. We can execute JavaScript without any compilation. Okay, without any compilation, and no need to purchase the license. So no need to purchase purchase license. No need to purchase license. Okay, so in present days, all browsers are supporting JavaScript. Okay, nowadays, all latest browsers are supporting JavaScript. So we can use JavaScript in HTML pages by using script tag. Okay, we have to use script starting tag and end tag to insert JavaScript code in HTML page. okay, in HTML page. Okay, so we can use this script tag in header section or body section. Okay, we can use script tag in header section or body section. Okay, in header section or in body section, and in both places at the same time also we can use. Okay, so one example, sample example. Okay, so this is our project folder JavaScript, and create an HTML form. Okay, sample. Okay, so now, so I want to display current date time. Okay, system current date time. Okay, in header section, use script tag. Okay, script tag and document dot write. Okay, date is the predefined function to read the current system date time. Okay, so document dot write. So document is the HTML document. Okay, so this is HTML document, and write. Okay, write method to write the text in the HTML document. So now run this example. Okay, so this is India standard time. Okay, current system date and time. So but you want to display only month, date, year and time. Okay, so not this. So now, so create one variable. Okay, my date is the variable, and new date. Okay, and after that, my date dot get full month. Okay, first month, and date. Okay, go today, date, my date dot get full year. Okay, in JavaScript we have to add +1 for the get full year method. Okay, actually get full year method read the uh, last year date. Okay, last year. Actually this is 2007, right? In 2017. So it will read the 2016 only. So that we have to add +1. So now refresh this. Okay, so 3, 4 and 2000. Okay, so now no need to add +1, get full year. Okay, so 3, 4, 2017. For uh, not the year. Okay, per month you have to add +1. Okay, so 4, 4, 2017. To get the date, my date dot get hours, and my date dot get minutes, okay. So 21, 24. So it will take 24 hours. So next, so this is the sample example to display the current date and time. Okay. So actually we have to use var keyword to create the variables in JavaScript, and this is the predefined method to read the current system date and time. And you know already new keyword, okay, to create the object. Okay, to create the object we have to use new keyword for the class. Okay. Okay, so we can use JavaScript in our HTML page in body section or in header section. Okay, so directly we can use this code in body also. Okay, same result is there. So we can use script tag. Okay, same time in both sections also. So JavaScript in HTML page will be executed when the page loads. Okay, and sometimes we want to execute JavaScript when an event occurs. Okay, like button click events. Okay, so for suppose when you click on the button, okay, you want to display current date time or your name in alert box. Okay, so take one button, type equal to button, and value equal to display name. Okay, and close. Okay, so remove this and create function. Okay, my function. Mm, in function alert box we can use in alert box some name. Okay, with JavaScript. So here we have to use events to call the JavaScript function. So for button click, on click event is there to execute JavaScript function. Okay, my function. So now it will display the alert box with JavaScript name. Okay, so when you click on this, it will display some alert box. Okay. Okay, sometimes we want to execute JavaScript. So when an event occurs, okay, we have a number of events is there in JavaScript. I will explain in later class. Okay, like tomorrow class or day after tomorrow class. So we can write JavaScript code in external files also. We can write JavaScript code in external files also. Okay, external files means .js files. Okay, like .css pages, we have .js files also. Okay, so JavaScript external files. So JavaScript external files. So JavaScript can also be placed in external files. So we can write JavaScript code in external files also, external files, and we can use this external JavaScript code in different web pages. Okay, you can use that code in several different web pages. So several different web pages. So for example, okay, so we have a button. Okay, when you click on the button, you want to execute some JavaScript function, and this function want to display some alert box. Okay, so by using external files, so create external files. Okay, if you use the notepad, okay, save that notepad with the .js extension, and here in Visual Studio we have templates for JavaScript. Okay, so when you right click on add, so JavaScript file. Okay, so when you click on this, so it will save the .js file. Okay, my script enter, so that my script.js file is created. So now copy this function, okay, and paste here and save this one. So now we can remove this script tag. Okay, so to link up these two files, okay, so in real time also always call JavaScript functions in body section. Okay, end of the body section. So use script tag and HR and source equal to myscript.js and type equal to text JavaScript. Okay, and close. Okay, so in real time applications also call JavaScript functions in the end of the body section, so that it will increase the application performance. Okay, so that you can run this example. Okay, so display name. Okay, it will same output is coming. Okay, like a demo. Okay, save this and run this again. Okay, demo. So that like this we can use external files, JavaScript external files. So next one is, so JavaScript case sensitive. JavaScript case sensitive. Okay, JavaScript case sensitive. So before you write the JavaScript code, okay, or before you use the JavaScript predefined functions, okay, predefined methods, so watch over capitalization. Okay, so observe capitalization. Before write JavaScript code, okay, before write JavaScript code, watch over capitalization. Watch over capitalization. Okay, so JavaScript case sensitive. um, so like so for example, so when you click on this button, okay, you want to display uh, like some name in paragraph. Okay, paragraph ID p1. Okay, so you want to display some name in paragraph. Okay, when you click on this button, so now we have to find out the paragraph in source code. Okay, we have to find out the paragraph element in JavaScript, and after that we have to assign the name to that paragraph. Okay, document dot get element by id. Okay, so we have these predefined methods: get element by id, get element by class name, get element by name, by tag name ns, get selection. Okay, so we have these predefined methods. Okay, in the get. Okay, but number of methods is there. Okay, predefined methods. So here you have to observe a capitalization. Okay, so when you use the predefined methods, okay, create comment. Okay, so create comment, c is the caps in that method. Okay, so observe one thing. In first word, okay, first word there is no caps letters. From second word onwards, first letter caps. Okay, from second word onwards, first letter caps. In this method, create document fragment. Create is all letters are small. From document fragment. Okay, document D caps and F caps. Okay, from second word onwards, first letter caps. So now we have to find out the paragraph to display our name in paragraph. Okay, so p1 dot another HTML equal to like okay, action. So now if you click on this button, this name, okay, this name Harsha name will display in paragraph. Okay, my name is. So now run this example. Okay, button, click on button. Okay, so my name is Harsha. Okay. Mm, so if you okay see this method, get is a small letters and element by id. Okay, e caps, b caps, I caps. If you write b small, okay, if you write b small, you will get error. Okay, go to inspect and you can see the errors here. Okay, in this area. So click on button. Okay, so name is not displayed. Okay, here one error is there. So click on this, you can see the error here. Okay, uncaught type error, document or get element by id is not a function. Okay, so like this it will show the error messages. Okay, if you write wrong function name. Okay, so we have this error, right? So save this and click on this button. Okay, now there is no errors here. So this is console log. And next, JavaScript statements. So JavaScript statement, mm, JavaScript statement tells the browser what to do, and JavaScript is a sequence of statements to be executed by the browser. For example, I want to display another name in another paragraph. Okay, P2. Next, document or get element by id. P2 dot inner HTML equal to. Okay, so what then? So run this example. So click on button. Okay, my name is Harshvardhan. So this document get element by id method. Okay, so find out the paragraph. Find out the paragraph with id p1. Okay, and with id p2. Okay, so if find out the element, it will display the message. Okay, to assign the message to the HTML elements like the div element, span element, and the paragraph. So we have to use inner HTML. Okay, to assign the text to the div element or paragraph, use inner HTML. And if you want to read the text from div element or paragraph, use inner HTML. Okay, same. Okay, to read the value from text box, we have to use value. Okay, here we have to use dot value. Okay, to read the value from the text box. So I will explain that example also. So actually here sequence of statements is executed, okay, one by one. So JavaScript is a sequence of statement to be executed by the browser, and so this is a uh, so this JavaScript statement is a command to the browser, okay, so to what to do. And so we have to use semicolon, okay, semicolon to separate the statements. So this is one statement and this is another statement. Okay, we are separating the statements with the semicolon. Okay, so according to the JavaScript standards, so semicolon is optional. Okay, but highly recommended to put the semicolon to end of the statement. So this is JavaScript block. Okay, so JavaScript blocks are surrounded by brackets. Okay, curly braces. And next, JavaScript comments. JS comments. So JavaScript can comments can be used to insert description for our JavaScript code. Okay, like explanation of our code, and we can put the unwanted code. Okay, unwanted statements in comments also. So JavaScript comments are used to explain JS code. Okay, explain or insert description. Used to insert so used to insert comments or description for JS code. Okay, JS code, and we can put unwanted JS code in comments. Okay, if you don't want to execute some statements, you can put that statements in comments. Okay, so here we have single line comments and multi-line comments is there in JavaScript. So first one, single line comments. Second one, multi-line comments. Okay, single line comments and multi-line comments. So single line comments start with the double slash comments start with the double slash, and multi-line. So multi-line comments start with the slash star and end with the star slash. Okay, so multi-line comments end with the star slash. So for example, I don't want to execute this statement. Okay, you can put that statements in comment. Okay, for single line comment use double slash so that the second statement is not executed. Okay, only first name is displaying. Okay, if you want to put number of statements in comments, use multi-line comments slash star and end with star slash. Okay, statements are commented. Okay, statements are commented. So like this we have to add comments for the multi-lines. For single line comments double slashes, and for multi-line comments use star slash slash star and end with the star slash. Okay, so like this we can insert our code explanation also. And next one is JavaScript variables. Okay, so JavaScript variables. So JavaScript variables are containers for storing values or storing information. JavaScript variables. Okay, variables are containers for storing information or values. Okay, so we can declare the variables in JavaScript. Declare variables in JavaScript using var keyword. Okay, so using var keyword we have to create the variables. Okay, in C# or JavaScript we can use int a. Okay, and flag um, bool my flag equal to true. Okay, boolean values for string values, string name equal to some name. Okay, for string variables we have to create like this. Okay, and integer equal to 10. So like this we have to create the variables in C# or Java. Okay, so but in JavaScript no need to use into bool string like this. Okay, so for all of these things we can use only one var keyword. Okay, use var keyword to create variables. Okay, to create variables. Okay, so use var keyword and x equal to 10, like var equal to name equal to okay, so like this we can create the string variable and integer variables. Okay, so for all of these things use var keyword. Okay, so var keyword only for declaration or installation. So you should not redeclare the same variables. Okay, you should not redeclare the same variables. Okay, you cannot declare same variable like name. Already name variable is created, and the next same name variable is not created. Okay, we cannot create the same name variable. Okay, and give different name to create when you are creating the variables. So like so add one HTML form variables. Okay, so here input type equal to button and value equal to yard. Okay, and use script tag and function equal to okay addition function. Okay, so when you are creating the functions in JavaScript, okay, use function keyword and followed by function name and these are the two, two braces to pass the parameters, and remaining statements are in flower brackets. So now create 10, x equal to 10 and where y equal to 20. Okay, so now use alert and x plus y. Okay, so it will display the result, addition of two numbers. Use on click event, addition. Okay, so run this example. Okay, click on this button. Okay, so 30 is displayed. Okay, 10 plus 20, 30. To insert the values for dynamically, okay, take two text boxes, type equal to text, and placeholder equal to value 1 and id equal to txt1, input type equal to text, placeholder equal to value 2 and id equal to txt2. Okay, so you enter the values in text boxes and click on button, okay, to get the addition of two numbers. Okay, you can display that result in paragraph, id equal to p1. So now read the value from text box, okay, by using document dot get element by id, okay, txt1. Okay, so document dot get element by id, find out the txt1, okay, with id txt1 element in the html document, and after that read the value from the text box, okay, and where y equal to document dot get element by id txt2, okay, dot value, and after that you want to add the two numbers, okay, so x plus y. The result will store it in z, so you can apply, you can display this z result in alert box. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, you will find out the okay value 22 and 10. Okay, so add, so the addition of these two numbers 20, 10. Okay, but this is wrong result. Okay, so actually 20 and 10, these are our string values. Okay, always text box values strings, so we have to convert these string values into integers. So we have the conversion in parse int and parse float. To convert the float value, use parse float, and to convert the string value to integer, use parse int. Okay, so actually y is x and y is string values. Okay, we are converting that into integers. Okay, so now result is z. Okay, same 22 and 10. Result is 32. Okay, so now this is correct answer. Okay, so like this we have to convert the string values into integers. Okay, so get element by id, find out the text box. Okay, find out the text box with the id txt1 and read that value. Okay, text box. You want to display result in text box. Okay, input type equal text and id equal to txt3. Document dot get element by id. Okay, txt3 dot value equal to z. So now run this example. Okay, same 22 and 10. Result is in the text box. Okay, to apply the value, to read the value from text box or to assign the value to the text box. Okay, use value. Here assigning text value to the text box. Here reading the value from the text box. Okay, these two scenarios use value. Okay.